Suspect that stubborn malware might be hiding on your Windows PC. Microsoft Defender Offline can scan your computer before the normal Windows environment fully loads. In this guide, I'll show you how to start an offline scan and what to expect. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app from the results to open the security dashboard. Next, select Virus and Threat Protection. Under the Current Threats section, find and select Scan Options. This is where Windows provides different ways to scan your PC. Scroll through the available scan types and select Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. This option is designed for situations where you suspect a persistent threat that may be difficult to detect or remove while Windows is running. After selecting the offline scan option, choose Scan Now. Windows will warn you that the PC needs to restart, so before continuing, save your work and close any open applications. Once you're ready, confirm the restart. Your computer will reboot, and Microsoft Defender will start the offline scanning environment before you return to the normal Windows desktop. During the offline scan, Windows checks your system for threats outside the normal Windows environment. You won't be able to use the PC normally during this process, so let the scan finish without interrupting it. After the scan is complete, Windows will restart and return you to the desktop. To review what happened, open Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection, and then check Protection History for recent detections or actions. If a threat was found, review the detection and follow Microsoft's recommended action. If nothing was detected but you still notice suspicious behavior, consider running a full scan or getting additional help. Don't ignore repeated security warnings. And that's how to run a Microsoft Defender offline scan in Windows Security. It's especially useful when you suspect a persistent threat. Just remember to save your work before starting, because the scan requires a restart.